In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your HostGator cPanel, focusing on configuring your domain settings and setting redirects. First things first, let's start with logging into your HostGator cPanel account. You'll need your unique login details for this step. Once you're logged in, you'll see an array of options and tools available to assist you in managing your hosting settings. Navigate to the Domains section, and from there, proceed to click on the Zone Editor. This tool is essential when it comes to managing your DNS records, which are the backbone of directing traffic accurately to and from your domain. Inside the Zone Editor, you have the capability to add or edit DNS records such as A and C name records. These records are crucial for ensuring that your domain points to the intended IP address or web address. As a bit of context, an A record directly maps your domain to an IP address, which is like plugging in a destination into your GPS. It provides the exact location your website should be directed to. On the other hand, a CNAME record allows you to alias your domain to another name, providing flexibility if your domain ever needs to point to a new server or IP. Once you're satisfied with your DNS settings, you may want to set up redirects. Redirects are particularly useful if you've changed domain names or have moved content to a new location. In your cPanel, locate the tool simply called redirects. The first decision you'll make here is the type of redirect you need, either a 301, which is permanent, or a 302, which is temporary. A 301 redirect signals to search engines that the change is for good, helping to maintain any SEO benefits from your original domain. In contrast, a 302 tells search engines the change is temporary and not to update the index link references, which can be useful for short-term promotions or testing. Once you've decided on the type of redirect, go ahead and select the domain you intend to redirect from. Now enter the destination URL, the address where you want your visitors to be rerouted. This step is crucial. Ensure there are no typos or incorrect URLs that could break the redirection or lead users to a dead end. Double check everything, and when you're ready, hit save to apply your changes. With these steps done, you've successfully adjusted your DNS settings and set up redirects in HostGator's cPanel. Remember, changes to DNS settings might take a while to propagate throughout the internet, so patience is key. You're now empowered with the knowledge to manage these essential domain controls on your own, paving the way for smoother website traffic management. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.